It's okay now. We hear. Don't cry.
What happened? I'm a leader. Oh, Mommy, I'm so scared. They were attacking me and destroying my body.
Who's attacking you?
The junkie lord. There are no junkie lords. There are. They visited me earlier at school today. I was eating potato chips, candy, and drinking soft drinks when my tummy and my teeth began to hurt. The teacher sent me to the clinic and therefore she told me that my body is suffering from malnutrition. While I was in the clinic, he visited me. They said they will take me away.
Mia, we told you not to eat junk food. They weaken your body and make you sick. Here, eat this apple and drink your medicine with beer.
That's why we're having my dreams. Don't worry. No one let the junk birds take me. Eat now. What if I dream of them again? Why maybe you will be much stronger. In an outer galaxy, far, far away, in a kingdom where diseases and sickness are abundant, there lived a sickly little boy named Up who was always frustrated in his bed because he was so weak. He couldn't get up. His mother, the frail teen Amelia, and his father, the weak King Ulster, couldn't do anything about it. How could they? They were both sick themselves along with all their subjects. In fact, the only thing that was keeping their kingdom alive was the nourishment they get from the sparkling waterfall guarded by the Lady Axe. Now, it so happened that a major war is threatening the kingdom.
Your Highness, there has been another invasion. They have already taken down the walls of the south.
Oh no! What shall we do? If they reach the palace, they would gain more power and will conquer more worlds.
Give me a minute. My head is aching a bit. I suppose we should use our remaining supplies of arrows and position others off the wall. I feel that's not possible, Your Highness. The archers are challenging me. The kingdom's division cannot do them all. How about our rivals? We can run ahead of the junglers and set a trap. They are too fast. If only I could be strong enough to fight for the kingdom. I'm sorry, Father.
What do we do now? Suddenly, a little girl in pajama entered the room looking bewildered and lost. Where am I? Where is this place?
Who are you? You are in Land Botanica. I am Prince Scott, and this is my mother, Queen Amelia, and my father, King Ulster.
I'm Minion. I don't know how I came here. I was just sleeping in my room. When I woke up, I was here. Can you help me find my mom and dad?
Good child, we would love to help you, but we are in the middle of war. Perhaps it's my time to return to your place.
Stay here, Highness. I am sorry, but you all look weak and sick. Does you eat anything in this place? We do. We have chocolates and candies. We have soft drinks and instant food. All that a child likes in we have here. But we don't do as good. Now, remember Sakina and the champion lords. Did they hear? Oh no, I have to hide. I can't let them take me. They're needing to be able to destroy my body.
We won't let them take it. Open up!
Oh no, the doctor are here.
They invaded the castle. That's impossible. They are still on the south as we speak. They couldn't have ridden so fast. No matter what happens, protect the prince. How dare you enter the palace without invitation? Make yourself known. Your Highness, we are not the Jackalots. We're an elite group of soldiers known as the Wedding Warriors. We're here to help you. Well then, enter. If you come in peace, you are welcome in my castle.
Lo and behold, the palace doors opened to reveal a group of healthy-looking warriors carrying their weapons.
Good day, Eagle Sir, Queen Anania, and Queen Cobb. We heard about the consultation. You came as quickly as you could to give your help. I am General Squash, the leader of the heaviest and strongest warriors in the land. Commander King, if you're prepared to fight the enemy, our warriors are out in camp, ready to fight at the moment comes.
Your Highness, I am Lady Apple. We planned to pay you a visit a long time ago, but this is foolishness. We heard that you're always sick and weak. It's true. It is the reason we have a hard time defending ourselves against the Junkyloids.
Without offense, then, you look very pale, Your Highness. Maybe you should sit down. If you will permit us, we would like to introduce our warriors to you. If you can help us defeat the Junkyloids, I will honor and consider you my friend. Let your warriors stay. I will be glad to meet them. Warriors, assemble! We are the warriors! We are your friends! We are the best warriors! We are your friends! Best warriors is the name! We are being friends! And we have best warriors is the name! Hello everyone, I'm Colonel Pumpkin. I'll help clear your eyes so you may see the enemies that are far away. I will pump down all the zombies that will come my way.
I am Officer Carlos. These donkeys are no match for me. I'm going to shoot them down with my beta-carotene beams. Hi, I am Anna the Apple. One apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm going to keep the donkeys away. Hi there, I'm Alexander the Great. Take one seat. Everybody tells me I'm using sweet. I can provide you enough fiber and vitamins to keep the sickness away. I'm Wendy the watermelon. I'm packed with vitamins A, C, and potassium. With me, you're always the winner. Wait for me. I'm all of the grape orange. I'm a complex against flu and viruses. Squeeze me and get a dose of vitamin C. I smell really good too. I can cure headaches, and we're not pretty and healthy. We were junkies. Here I come.
Oops. You thought I'm Coco Martin. You're wrong. I'm Coco the Coconut. I'm the awesome fruit of the generous tree of life. I can provide you the purest water on earth. And my cocoa meat is deliciously used in salad too.
Hello. Can you guess who I am? You're right. I'm Tina the tomato. I'm rich in vitamins A and C. I'll keep your gums healthy and you can drink me as you juice. You wanna know something amazing? I'm actually the fruit. Go bite. Hey, I'm Edna the Eggplant. I'm a regular teenage. I'm good at breakfast, dinner, and lunch. I'll keep everyone healthy and alive. Hello, I am Yummy, the cauliflower. The tree is not complete without me. I'm strong, happy, and what's more, I can give you my whiskey too. Try me, and you definitely will crazy. How about me? Do you know who I am? Together, let's get a fight in the junkies. I am Beta Broccoli. Hello, dear comrades. My name is Lady Okra. With my sap and juice, I can make the roughest skin smooth. I am rich in antioxidants that can make your skin young and smooth. He'd been eating forever. Now, hear me. I'm Ali the avocado. I can provide your skin with its much needed moisturizer. The junkies won't be able to fight me. It's a bastard.
I am Peachy the pet cat. I'm good, juicy, and delicious. I will give you lots of vitamins with my green leaves. I'd love to fight this down top.
Yeah, I'm Nick the Milk. I have superior strengthening powers. Not only can I strengthen your teeth, I can also strengthen your bones. And here's a bonus. I can make you taller too. How about that?
All of a sudden, a loud rumble of feet and deafening war cries were heard from inside the castle. The jungle lords succeeded in entering the castle.
Ay, natin.
We are kill them all. We don't give them food. Destroy their business. Give them heart attacks. Give them death. So the secret king and queen have joined forces with the best warriors. You think you can defeat us? Our numbers are vast and our forces strong. You will not stand a chance. In time, the king will junkie will be the only lord of the land. Ha 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 ha! We will show you no mercy. I, General Lollipop, shall stand behind my great king. I will make your skin ache and decay. In no time, you will smile at all. Don't I manage your teeth? Don't waste the energy you have left. Take a bite of me, stop before your milk, and I will equally make your hand tremble in my presence. I am Colonel Cola, the sweetest junkie this side of the land. I am full of calories and carbs. You don't need to eat raw foods like rice and bread. Drink me instead.
You might think me small and sweet, but I am a strong force that can help you clear your teeth. I am Lady Candy and I can cause you pain like you've never felt. Taste and ache!
Here, I am Marco Malo. I may be lucky, but I am not softy. I can be hard forward when I want to, and I am a force to reckon with. Grab a handful, take a huge bite. I'll see what's in your mouth and laugh while I rule what's inside.
I know you know me. I'm in your every home. I'm carrying the armed food. I supply you with false nutrition and preservatives that will not give your health. I'm the biggest junkie. In fact, I have already given urinary tract infections to people all over the land.
But me, the fumes of kids and adults alike. I'm tasty and can be eaten spicy or sweet. I eat the instant. Pancitol, noodles, name it, I'm fast burger and fast to eat. In no time, your leg span will decrease fast too.
Oi, oi! I'm Tito Cicerone. I'm crunchy and salty and good with vinegar. People love me. They buy me at night and even use me as their viand. I'm so rich in cholesterol and fat that I could plug your arteries and cause you an early heart attack. Crunch time!
Let's start this battle so I can claim the throne.
You will not like to think over Santa With your warriors, prepare to defend ourselves.
Assemble, great men. Let's show them who is stronger and more able-bodied. You heard me, General. Drop your weapons.
Show them our full power. Attack!
'Cause the junkie lords fueled with carbs and calories are full of false energy that they all put into battle. The virtual warriors feel themselves going weak.
See strong big warriors, do not be am Lady Alpha, the purest of them all. I will supply you with essential minerals and nutrients that will help you defeat these junkies. Drink from my sparkling waterfall. Ease your thirst and revive your energy.
With the help of Lady Alpha's water, the Virgin Warriors and Mischievous were vanished and they defeated the Templars and the Sea Eagles down.
Good work, Betty Warriors. You have helped us in this victorious war. We shall pray that this challenge will never attack us again. From now on, I will announce a decree. Every day, fruit and vegetables shall be staple parts of our botanist meal. This will help us keep our minds from weak and silly state. Thank you, Betty Warriors.
Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Daddy. Mia, you look rested.
I am better to my master now.
Do you have a bed in my head?
No, I will never have a bad dream again. Junkie world again, Daddy. We've been defeated by the Baby Warriors.
Oh, really? You have been great imagination, my child.
Now, I know you don't like milk and eggs for breakfast, but you need to eat them when it gives you.
Don't worry, Mom. I will tell you food, and from now on, I'm going to eat them every single day.